Over 14.5 million Bitcoins are illiquid? If you're in the money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we're posting daily videos here. Welcome to That Kid Crypto, and today we are looking at this chart that I found on Twitter today. Guys, extremely bullish. Shout out Woo Blockchain, they provided this info, and shout out Glassnode too. And according to Glassnode, the illiquid supply of Bitcoin has now exceeded 4.52 million, which is a record high. And as we take a look at the chart right here, we can see this blue line, which is the liquid supply, has gone over the Bitcoin price, which is just a very bullish indicator. And as we go on Google and you just type in how many Bitcoins are liquid, Google says it's set. Well, the first thing that pops up is a link from moneyweb.co.za. And it says that 78% of the circulating Bitcoin supply is considered illiquid. But this topic of Bitcoins being illiquid is kind of controversial. There's a lot of people giving different numbers. I personally think there's probably more than 14.5 million, 14.52 more, a lot more that are illiquid. And I think Bitcoin's actually more scarce than we think. And to our next story, you guys haven't been keeping up. So basically, Craig Wright, the guy who claims he's Satoshi, is now he's going to court again down in Miami to try and claim that he's Satoshi. It's so dumb because, I mean, obviously he's not Satoshi because he doesn't have the keys. And obviously this happened. It's called Kleeman versus Wright. Bitcoin's trial of the century kicks off in Miami. It's not really the trial of the century. It's more like the publicity stunt of the century, and it's an absolute joke. Like, I can't believe they're even giving this that attention. But anyways, it says here, Tuesday's witnesses included former Bitcoin developer Gavin Anderson, who testified that Wright, who's also the creator of Bitcoin's Satoshi Vision, the Australian computer scientist best known for his much debated claim to be a Nakamoto. So that's literally his claim to fame. His claim to fame is that he's Satoshi. That's literally what he's known for. So I guess he's just like, he likes to clout or something. Bamboozle him. In a pre-recorded video deposition shown in court Tuesday, Anderson testified that he would begin to doubt Wright's claims after Wright notoriously failed to deliver cryptographic proof that he had access to Satoshi's private keys. Well, obviously he didn't have Satoshi's keys, because if he had Satoshi's keys, he wouldn't need to go to trial. I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward. Yeah. And then in May 3rd of 2016, in an email presented in court, this was quoted on Anderson, what he wrote to Wright, and it says, "I'm starting to doubt myself and imagining the clever ways you could have tricked me." I mean, bro, I don't know how you can get Craig Wright. I just think this whole thing's probably a big scheme. And yeah, it's going to be really funny to see what happens out of this. They're trying to get, they're trying to get the Bitcoins. Yeah, no shit, you didn't get a cent. Like, it's just stupid. And as we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, whew, Bitcoin, as we know, let's take off the EMA lines real quick. Let's zoom up right here. Bitcoin's currently hanging around the 61, 62K level. It's been bobbing around, as you see. It's like pretty much just playing a big tennis match from that 63K level down to that like 60K area. It's just been a straight tennis match of back and forth and back and forth. The price is consolidating right now, and I think that's a good thing. I mean, obviously, we just had a pretty big run-up, and we reached new all-time highs, and we had a little cool-down. This is the consolidation period, so. And as we look at our 4 EMA lines, we're close to the 20-day EMA line, but we're still ahead of it, so things are looking still very bullish. And as we look at our volume, too, there's pretty low volume, but despite the low volume, I truly think that Bitcoin, we will be seeing a lot of new higher highs soon. I mean, this bull market is straight up, it's far from over. We got a couple months left. We're going to see Bitcoin hit 100K. I'm not sure if it's going to, I think it's going to happen in this bull market, but I'm not positive it's going to happen in 2021. But then again, honestly, really nobody knows. But I mean, if you think about it, we're going to go to plan B, stock to flow. You go to plan B, stock to flow model. It's held. I mean, his stock to flow model, it's saying we're probably going to hit like 100K at the end of the year. And his stock to flow model has hit almost every single time. Here, let me get this bigger on the screen for you guys. It's pretty much hit every single time, and I forget what it was. Oh no, it was November 1st, a couple of days ago. Bitcoin was supposed to be, according to the model, was supposed to be above 63K, and it was at like 62 or 61. So, but then the next day, Bitcoin reached above 63K. So it was literally 1 day off last time, and people were giving him crap, but it was literally 1 day off, which I think is absolutely insane. So people love to talk crap about the Bitcoin stock to flow model, but at the end of the day, it's held extremely well, and Plan B is looking like a genius, low key, so high key actually. So yeah, extremely bullish news all around. And yeah, and if you're into crypto money, make sure to subscribe.